Hey there, Mike Viola here. I'm here to share with you a little bit about Venus' descent into the underworld, a shamanic drum journey. I'll be leading that on November 2nd at Psychic Sister on Alberta Street in Northeast Portland. This workshop is going to explore Venus and what she means to us in our bodies, in our lives, and in the community. Venus in the heavens is moving through the sign of Scorpio. This is the sign of death and transformation, intensity, deep feelings, and dissolving and merging. So it's really, our sense of Venus and what she rules is finding new ways to express herself. And I imagine, is very challenging for many of us. And so in community, we'll work together to discover what we're holding inside and how to get through it. Right after Halloween, Samhain, and Day of the